So this is a complete project which goes by the name of Supernova, and the promoter here is Supertech. The total area of our project is 17.5 acres of land, and it's a mixed use development. Now in this project we are having residentials, commercial, studio apartments, hotel chains, everything. Talking about the location first, we are standing somewhere here right now in the middle. Now the main USP of our project is that we are currently 0 kilometers from Delhi right now, and for the lifetime it will be the first project of Noida when you enter through Delhi. Now coming back to the project itself, this is the Supernova Okhla Bird Sanctuary metro station, named after the project itself, which is currently connecting you to IJR Terminal 1 to this side and Botanical Garden to this side. And this metro station will be having a direct access through this gate. As you can see, we already have a skywalk that has half been constructed as of now. So in the future, it will be landing directly on the first floor of the retail section. Now this is the entire retail section of 10 lakh square feet that we are coming up by the name of Hypernova Mall, in which we'll be having 4 segments: lower ground floor, first floor and second floor. On the third floor, you can see we have a whole podium place. Now this whole podium is a lush green space which includes swimming pools of its own, cafeteria of its own, lounges of its own, other recreational areas of its own. And this podium facility is accessible only by the residents of Supernova. It's not like anyone who's renting through the mall can use the podium. So what we have done, we have given the access of podium through each and every tower's 4th floor. Now coming to the towers in totality, as you can see, we have 5 towers in our project. So starting from here, so this is the commercially dedicated tower of our project by the name of Astralis. The total height of the tower is G plus 28 floors, and we have already given the possession of the entire tower. Already there are approximately 75 to 90 offices. Those are running right now. So as you can see on the entrance, we have a triple heighted entrance lobby here. On the 3rd and 4th floor, dedicated for again the clubhouse in the podium level. From 5th onwards, we have our inventory. So from 5th to 28th floor, we have lockable offices of different sizes, starting from 860 square feet and up to 4000 square feet. Moving forward to the next 2 towers. So you can see we have these 2 identical towers by the name of Nova East and Nova West, and we have already given the possession of these 2 towers also. The total height of the tower is G plus 43 floors. Already OCCC have been received of this tower, and there are approximately 450 plus families who are living in this tower. So starting from the bottom, again ground first and second are the entrance lobby. On the 3rd and 4th floor, again we have the clubhouse areas. From 5 to 37, we have 2 BHKs and 3 BHKs. So starting from 1380 square feet and 2105 square feet. And then from 39 to 44 on the top, you can see we have penthouses there. So we have 11 penthouses in each tower, starting from approximate size of 5000 square feet and up to 26,000 square feet on the top. So we have the largest penthouse of entire Delhi NCR right here, which is of 26,000 square feet. Basically, it contains of 2 entire floors. So this is the most iconic tower of our entire project, and it is India's tallest tower by the name of Spira. The total height of the tower is G plus 72 floors, in which we have already completed 69 floors in this tower, and also the possession in this tower has been started. As of now, till 43 floors we have started giving the possession of this tower. So basically it's a mixed use tower. So what we have done, we have different inventories in this tower. So starting from the bottom, from 5 to 17, we are having 3 BHKs and 4 BHK ultra luxurious Spira residences here. The minimum size starts around 3100 square feet and the maximum goes up to 4500 square feet here. Then moving forward from 19 to 43, you can see the middle segment. We have dedicated the entire portion to fully furnished studio apartment. Now these are 5-star hotel suites which will be maintained by a hotel chain in the coming future. Moving forward, on the 45th floor, you can see a double-heighted ceiling lounge there. This is again the clubhouse of the tower by the name of Club S. So this tower will be having 2 clubs of its own. First at the bottom level on the 5th floor and then on the 45th level. So from 46 to 58, we are having Spira premium offices here. Now these are North India's tallest offices as on date, till 58 floors. Then from 59 to 66, on the top we are having Skyvillas on the top. Now these are 32 exclusive mansions that we are offering. The basic concept is that on that much height, you will be living between the clouds. And these are one of a kind inventories that we are offering. And then from 67 and above till 72 floors, we have dedicated the portion to observatory deck and helipad landing facility. So basically it's kind of a Burj Khalifa concept only. You can buy the ticket from the mall. You can go on the top. Some binoculars will be there, cafeteria will be there, lounges will be there, and also we are planning a skywalk on the top of there. So you can spend some time with your friends and family on the top of there. So this is the vision on which we are working right now for this North India's tallest, and it will be a luxury and an epitome in itself.